Okay. I don't know what it is she wants to see, but she likes to see it. What is going on in there? What is going on in there? See? How come you
Put her
don't
back
see
down. I want to see her.
it?
No, she does it again.
You gonna help me? You gonna help me? Alright. Come on. You gonna help me? Let's do dishes. Huh? So here, we'll just do dishes, I guess. Did you want to touch it? It's not so fun. I can't have you do that. Yeah. I got you a wet paw. How's that? Oh no, that wasn't a good idea.
She wants to
She wants to eat it now. Yeah. Look at it. Okay. That's not working out for me. Okay, you gotta get down. Get down. I gotta hurry up and stick with the 15 sheet. I'll be ready on time. What a bit really on time. Like I leave it to be our family. That was a delicious bud. Making fun at the hospital today.
She just scratched the camera.
You want to come up? Okay. Okay.
I'll get it. No. She's like a baby.
I know.
Just dump her in it.
Yeah. That's delicious. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. This is, you know what? You want to decide? I have a new law. We're going to like do everything while I hold you. Yeah, so
That was cute.
Yeah, you're cute, but you're a heavy load after a while.
Call me fat.
No, honey, I had to hold you until you were like 6. I had to carry you everywhere, remember?
No.
We all did. For whatever reason. Now, how am I supposed to do this?
I like to be carried.
Burning, because I don't have my glove on.
Marty.